Welcome back to my channel. If you love creativity, handmade beauty and budget-friendly home decor ideas, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I am sharing a collection of beautiful DIY crafts and home decor pieces that you can easily make at home. These ideas are perfect for decorating your room, so sit back, relax and get inspired. With just a little creativity and effort, you can turn ordinary items into something extraordinary. The best part about DIY crafts is that you don't need expensive tools, just your imagination. Here we have a stylish and modern decor item that adds charm to any room. Whether you place it on a shelf, table, or wall, it instantly enhances the overall look of your space. These ideas are perfect for those who can love recycling and eco-friendly projects. I hope you enjoyed all these DIY craft and home decor ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. And I will see you in the next video.